But we begin tonight with the trail of destruction left behind by storms slamming southeast Michigan. Thank you so much for joining us for 7 Action News at 6. I'm Carolyn Clifford. We are getting a better look at the storm damage left behind after a tornado struck Monroe. Today, the National Weather Service confirmed the strength of the tornado was EF1. You can see trees downed and debris scattered across the road. And Howell was hammered by hail. It came down fast and furious, dumping about 2 inches of large chunks of ice on homes and on vehicles. Farms were devastated. Take a look at these pictures from Bentley Lake. The hail shredding its entire strawberry and cabbage crop that workers planted and tended to for months. We do have Team 7 coverage for you tonight. 7 First Alert meteorologist Marissa Wallazin is breaking down just how powerful the tornado and hail was. But we begin with 7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig, who talked to one man who says he hasn't seen anything like this in his 45 years of farming.
When the storm started, CJ Turner was here in his barn, and he says he knew they were in trouble when a farmer's worst enemy hit: hail.
It came down so hard that it sounded like I was standing underneath a freight train. It was just unbelievable.
The hail came fast, hard, and lasted for a devastating 20 minutes. And when it was over, fields of crops at Bentley Lake Farms in Howell's Marion Township were destroyed.
You see all the holes in the plastic? So that field was, that's 5,000 pepper plants right there that are completely destroyed.
This is what their strawberries looked like yesterday, and this is what's left. Farmer CJ Turner says it looks like someone walked up to every plant and fired a 12-gauge shotgun.
The hail basically annihilated everything. My emotions come and go. 1 minute I'm fine, the next minute I'm a little teary-eyed, but I try to keep a positive attitude.
CJ took us around his farm today to see some of the damage to every crop that was hand-planted and was supposed to be hand-harvested.
This is nuts. I've never seen plants like this.
CJ's daughter, Heidi Barron.
This is something that every farmer hopes never happens to them. And you hear about things, but it actually did happen to us.
And they're already starting over, planting seeds in flats until the ground is ready again.
I'm going to put the plants in the greenhouse and try and get them going as soon as possible to get things moving quicker. But some things I'll be able to recover from this year, other things I won't. I mean, some things it's too late. I can't replant my potatoes. I can't replant my onions. Certain things you don't have time for.
Friends and customers have asked what they could do to help. The Bentley Lake Farms family says they don't want any handouts. They just ask that people continue to support them when they get back on their feet and support other farmers who are also impacted.
I've lived in Howell my whole life. I've known CJ on and off my whole life, and I saw on Facebook the devastation, and I told my wife, I want to go help.
CJ has put a lot of heart and soul into this farm, and the crops and everything we grow is wanted in the community, and people love to our stands, and we ask is to continue to support us and go to our stands, and we'll get the crops back going again.
I'm 64 years old, and I've never seen it like this in my entire life. What else can I do? Give up or move on?
In Howell's Marion Township, Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News.
If I know anything about Michigan, you know people will support them, and we are going to do it.